I haven't seen it yet. I'm just gonna go up there and buy it. It's 3,100. Or I might buy it. I haven't looked at it yet.
Okay, so we are at Kentucky Lake Trailer Sales in Calvert City, Kentucky. And this is where we were when we originally were looking at trailers. And AJ, you got your phone out? Are you making recordings too?
No. I'm trying to get up on the
So this is probably, so what I need.
Well, what I would do is I would take, so you do have a 7-way, you got this on the truck now, right? That's what's on the truck?
That's what I got on the truck.
Okay, so I'll take one of those trailer ends. The one in the past, that's a semi style.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'll take one of those and then I'll wire,
2 males.
well, you'll need this one, like what you've got there.
Yeah, on the male
Trailer
side.
plug into that
So
one.
on this one.
Well, no, that's the trailer. Let's see, that's what's on the trailer now, right?
Right.
All right, so we'll put this on one end for the trailer to plug into, and then we'll put that on the other end.
Okay, so this is at Kentucky Lake Trailer
They
Sales.
polished it, but they must have put some color in it too.
So you like the color and the polish of the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, so look at that. That dog really likes you. So your name is Sock. Is that your name? Your name is Sock. He knows his name. You are a beautiful dog. Look at that. So do you like to play ball, Sock?
As you can see the marks.
On what? What marks?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well,
The
you.
lickings.
Uh-oh.
And so they hand make them here for you. The one that we're getting has an older plug, and the truck has a modern plug, and so we got a 7-foot cord to go over to gooseneck, and so we're good to go. Now let's go up and take a look at the trailer.
All right, so we are leaving Kentucky Lake Trailer Sales, and we're gonna go get ourselves a trailer. So have you had anybody else come look at the trailer?
I think somebody did, but they met with John. Like, he's working right now. That's the reason he's working out of town.
Oh, he's out of town?
Yeah. I mean, not far, but the next town, well, 2 towns up, he's working at. It's a big job that he's trying to get done.
So he has a farm. This is why we're on a farm, and he buys trailers for his farm.
This is his farm, yeah.
So I'm glad you have
I
a.
won't be around the bush, but I'm not interested in it.
Aw.
It's the lights don't want to light up, and the wiring on the brakes doesn't look too good, and some of the axles have been have washers on them, or not lined up very well, and so I'm gonna pass on it.
Right.
I sure appreciate it, though.
All right, no
Thank
problem.
you.
All right.
Yeah,
I don't
besides.
have a problem selling it.
Yeah, somebody will buy it, and besides, the fact is, it gave us a little family trip, and
It's just not the condition that I'm looking for. The age didn't scare me, but when I look at stuff like bushings needing to be replaced and wiring needing to be redone, I'm not interested in that. You know, it was 1971. Anyway, it had some bushing issues, and leaf springs were up against the chassis, and I was like, well, don't want to deal with that. So.
And the pigtail didn't help anything.
Oh yeah, and it didn't have any power, so there's no telling what's wrong with the wiring, and the wiring's all taped up. So it just had just as much bad wiring on it as the last one we looked at. The last one we looked at was 30 years newer.
Whoa! Oh, you almost ran Mr. Danny over. So we just had this gooseneck hitch installed. We just had it installed, and with the very purpose of picking. You almost ran this man over, Stephen.
I saw him jumping back here. The chain's hanging down. Appreciate it.
So we've.
Beat the bang no more than high school.
Do you want your jumpsuit, Stephen?
Yep.
Just a little bit. That's a security price. It's security.
I know that I'm 8 years old.
How old is that? How long?
I thought that cord on the arm. Take it off up there and rewrite You're under now.
All the weight's on the plate. Yeah. Do that, would have to take the end off the.
The dog's going in a truck.
Would have to take the end off.
Going in it.
They tried to.
It's metal, eh?
That's a steel loop right here. Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Big dog, we
Steel eye, metal eye. I just thought it was zip tied up there. It is, but it's not. I mean, see that goes through this eye loop here?
Yes, sir.
Right there.
Big Belly Rebuilds happens to be on YouTube too. Did you know that?
What's that now?
Big Belly Rebuilds happens to be on YouTube too.
Big boy rebuild.
Big Belly.
Belly.
Big belly?
Big
Is
belly.
it welded on there a
Yeah,
lot?
it is.
This
Yeah,
one-
Big Belly Rebuilds.
This one back here, you hit with a hammer, it would pop off. That one there.
Does that help any?
What? No, I was just saying this one here don't look like it's welded very good. I was wondering how that one welded.
Well, I'll tell you what. Oh, I've got a chisel. Let me go get my chisel. I think it's hot right in the chisel.
When I get home, I'll probably. Well, you got any air?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, the brakes ain't working.
Well, then we wouldn't be able to carry it then if the brakes aren't working.
Well, I mean, it's not gonna hurt nothing when it's empty. They'll have to be fixed.
But like, what if we stopped at a light or something? What would happen?
It's not raining, it's not bad weather, it's not snowing, don't have a load truck ain't gonna slow down so fast that this thing will ever break loose.
How much we could get back in the truck?
About right now.
No, it's always the way it is, isn't it?
I want to get back in the truck.
It's no
I
cooler.
believe that's gonna work.
No cooler in the truck, buddy.
Daddy doesn't have the air conditioning running on the, right now, so it would be hot in there. What is it, like probably 100
That damn
degrees?
Crap. But I got a brand new one. Right there. Wire this dude in. Wire this one out and wire in the new one. Yeah, the guy at the trailer I looked at yesterday didn't have a pigtail, so I went and had one made. $45.
All right, so the third time is the charm then.
Nothing serious.
I'm looking my last question.
I'm good right now.
AJ,
Since it's got Chevy wheels on it.
Serious money count right now. I don't want to miss out on that.
Since it's got Chevy wheels on it, I can find a nice set of wheels to put on it. Maybe something aluminum match the truck.
you got Mr. Moneybags over here.
Well, we just got us a gooseneck car hauler. It's a 1999. It's in decent shape. It looks like it needs some tires, and the cord where you plug it in is a little old, but I happen to have a brand new one, so take care of that. It probably needs some reflectors put on it. Just little things here and there. Nothing big. And pulls real good. Going straight down the road. I feels like I have an extra feeling whenever I hit a bump, but other than that, it's riding along pretty good.
It's the first time we've used our gooseneck hitch.
Yes, that's what it was all about. Just getting this truck so that I could get a gooseneck hitch, and so I could get a gooseneck trailer, so I can be set up to haul stuff, to haul projects back to the house and make deliveries or whatever I have to